In this video, you will learn how to upscale your low-resolution art or image into HD quality. Let's generate a new image. Right now I'm giving some random prompts. I will keep the standard aspect ratio for now, 512 by 512. Now let's generate this image again using the hires fix, which multiplies your resolution. Oops, I received this low memory error because this system has not enough GPU memory to run this. Now let's generate another image without hires fix. If you change the width and height directly from here, it will give you the same memory error. But if you have a good graphic card and RAM, then you're good to increase the main aspect ratio. Save both images we created. Now make an input folder and move both images inside. Copy the input folder address. Paste the address in the input directory. Now create an output folder. Copy the address and paste in the output directory. Scroll down and change the upscaler 1 to RSAGAN 4x+. Do the same with upscaler 2. This will upscale your picture 4 times larger. You can also set the custom aspect ratio. For now, let's type 1000. Boom! It's done. Now let's compare it with the previous versions. Using this method, you can keep any aspect ratio you want without worrying about the GPU memory.